Tell me now, what up? He can't live without your love. Oh, please. Romeo, 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 go and get that honey. The one with the pretty eyes, let her walk into your life. Romeo, 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 spend all that money, buy all she wants, make her believe that you got a heart that is lonely and sad. All it needs is for her to come and stay forever. Romeo, 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 don't fall asleep. You gotta find a Juliet and tell her she's the one. Romeo, 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 no, don't you cry. You gotta find a Juliet and tell her she's the one. He's been trying all day, all night, on the grind for the 7 on time. Soon as the first light, he'll be throwing all his bet and don't know he might win, but it's him, it's just Romeo.